Hello everybody, welcome back to another video here on my channel. Do you want to know how to add layers under OBS Studio? Or maybe you find it difficult to sort the layers out and you get all mixed up with how your footage is looking during your recording or streaming? Anyway, everything about layers about here in OBS Studio, this is the video for you to watch. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back again. Nice to see you all here, Bram. Nice to see you all here back again here on my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing here. On this channel, you'll find all the information and tutorials about OBS Studio, DaVinci Resolve, and also a little bit personal about me, about my travels, and things that might also be interesting with you, especially if you're a digital or online creator out there. So today in this video, I want to share with you how to create multiple layers for your videos under OBS Studio. Well, let's dive in. How to add multiple layers under OBS Studio. Well, for you those out there that you don't know what layers is, then my suggestion is that you watch this video here above here. That's the first video. And the second video is I'll get a little bit in depth about how OBS Studio works. And then after that, you can watch this video here that I'm presenting or showing to you now. So today with layers, I want to tell you more and try to explain what layers actually are. Layers are actually the things that you will see here. Layers, that is all different kind of layers that you can add up under your OBS Studio. You have a layer about the browser, that the browser is about, well, let me put it that way, is a layer is actually a layer that you put on top of another layer or another piece of content that you find here under OBS Studio. I don't know really how to explain it, but I want to explain it in just all-day talk, not being technical or stuff like that. But adding multiple layers, what I see here is, well, another good example is just show it to you. Here you see on my screen, I have here the screen of OBS Studio, and I'm teaching you today about layers. Well, you have one layer here, that is the dashboard of OBS Studio. You have another layer there on top of it, that is my webcam. And you can put another layer, that's an image. And the reason why I have this image or a thumbnail here on it, because when I remove it, you will see all that not so nice looking mirror effect here on the OBS Studio. And the reason for that, why it's a mirror, because OBS Studio, it's recording itself. So don't panic, don't worry. It's not your system that's having an error, not you, or you're not seeing double or triple or whatever, but it's just the way how it works actually. But back again to business. Adding multiple layers is that you're adding multiple layers on top of each other. Well, the layers in OBS Studio is nothing else with different sources of your media, what you want to represent to your audience actually. So you might have a layer, in this case is the webcam. I have another layer then about text if you want to add some text. You have another layer about adding a thumbnail or an image, in this case what you see here. You have another layer that's the display capture. So in this case, that is all the entire OBS Studio dashboard, what you see here in front. And if you want to add more layers to it, what you can do is, for example, let's add another image then to make it a little bit more challenging then. And we got existing image background, and we're gonna add that. And this is another layer that we're actually adding to our existing layers that we have here. And you can just play around with it. You can put it anywhere which you want. You can put it on top of myself. You can put it on top of the another layer or the other image layer that you have here. Well, that is actually the case how layers are working under OBS Studio. I know it looks more simple or not that complicated as it looks like. But maybe you think, okay, how do I to explain it to you? But layers is more about adding multiple sources or multiple content on one particular dashboard or video. and that all together will represent your presentation or your video, what you're streaming or recording under OBS Studio here. So I hope that has helped you in how to have an understanding or a basic understanding about how to add multiple layers under OBS Studio. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Feel free to watch these videos what you see here as well, because I know if you're watching this video, that means that the videos what you see here might also be an interest for you to watch as well, especially if you're just beginning or you want to know more about how OBS Studio works, then these videos here are the ones for you to watch. Alright, thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel here to get more updates about more tutorials about OBS Studio, DaVinci Resolve, and a little bit personal about me and my daily life, especially about traveling and stuff like that, and all the other technical stuff that you might also be like. If you like OBS Studio, like I am, I like OBS Studio. If you like editing, like using DaVinci Resolve or other studios, well, then we're on the same line here because we have the same basic interest about how to use everything, what's online, what's out there. Okay, thank you very much again for watching, and I'll see you all back soon in my next video here on my channel, Sander TV. Stay tuned, keep watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye.